Hi parents, my name is Dean Parlin. I am your child's Algebra 1 teacher at Martin High School. I wanted to make a quick video to introduce myself and also show you a couple resources that we use that are valuable for the classroom. One of the things you're looking at right now is the Canvas course. So this is our homepage to the Algebra 1 Canvas course. This is not something that we use every day in the classroom because fortunately we're all in the classroom. But it is a great resource where we kind of keep the days and the lessons organized. I want to make sure that you are aware of this. One of the things I can take a look at is the modules. Okay, so the module, currently right now we have a first 6 weeks module, and you can just see I have it separated by days. Today is the 6th day of the 6 weeks, so it's Monday, Tuesday, that's AB. And then you can see here under there's an assignment, Unit 1, Day 5. But that assignment will just tell you to complete the assignment in Delta Math, which I'm going to get to in a minute. But please refer to the module in Canvas, especially if some students are absent or miss a day. I also sometimes place some notes or some video notes that can be helpful for the lesson as well. So Canvas is a great resource to help us stay organized, and especially for those who miss class. Now let me give you a quick look at Delta Math. This is where we find some of our assignments. Now typically I try to use as much of the classroom time for learning and activities where we're working together, we're teaching each other, they're asking me questions, we're working through things. But also we do have some assignments, and we use Delta Math for the assignments. And I wanted to give you a look at what that looks like. So you can see here in blue, it says Unit 1, Day 5. This is today's assignment. It looks like maybe 6 or 7 sections. Sometimes those sections have multiple questions. So for this first one, we have a couple questions to answer. So you only need to answer 2 correct questions, and then students need to go on to the next section. Like sometimes they can answer more if they want more practice, but as far as getting the credit, they need 2 correct. Also, one of the reasons I like this resource, if you get one wrong, it doesn't have to come off your grade. I set the assignment up to assign an additional question that if you get that additional question correct, they can go ahead and make the full 100 credit. So it's kind of like completion, but the completion is correct answers. All right. Also, each problem comes with an example, so they can just click on the show example and it shows how to solve it. All right. And then of course they can just go back to the original problem. But you also see with each problem that there is a watch help video. So they can click on this and there's a video that they can watch. Now again, I don't depend on these videos to do the teaching. These videos are just meant to be an extra resource, kind of like having a tutor if I'm not available or they just need some additional help. So again, Delta Math is a great resource that I like. I don't try to overdo it as far as necessarily the homework. I also don't try to send them out the door with the assignment in Delta Math. I give some time in class to work on it so they can ask some questions and that kind of thing. So, but we do have to have some practice as well as what we do in specifically in the classroom for the learning. All right. Okay, so that again was just a couple things that I wanted to show you. I hope that we all get to meet each other in the future. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to shoot me an email. Let me know. We can work something out if necessary. As far as the grade for this class, we give minor grades and major grades. So the activities and the assignments that we do in class are our minor grades. They count 40% of the grade. And then, of course, we give tests during the 6 weeks, and the test counts 60% of the overall grade, and that's how that's factored in. So, all right, I appreciate y'all's time. Maybe we'll get to meet some of you before the year is out. But if not, again, my name is Dean Parlin. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at any time. Thanks.